Seasons. There are 4 seasons. There are 4 seasons. Winter is the cold season. Winter is the cold season. It snows in the winter. It snows in the winter. The winds blow and ice forms on the water. The winds blow and ice forms on the water. We play hockey on the ice. We play hockey on the ice. We play in the snow. We play in the snow. After winter is the spring. After winter is the spring. That is when it begins to get warmer. That is when it begins to get warmer. Trees get buds on them. Trees get buds on them. Flowers start to bloom. Flowers start to bloom. It rains a lot in the spring. It rains a lot in the spring. Spring is followed by the summer. Spring is followed by the summer. It can get very hot in the summertime. It can get very hot in the summertime. The sun shines brightly. The sun shines brightly. We go swimming in the summer. We go swimming in the summer. We spend a lot of time outdoors. We spend a lot of time outdoors. Many people go on vacations in the summer. Many people go on vacations in the summer. We get a summer vacation from school. We get a summer vacation from school. Summer is followed by the fall or autumn. Summer is followed by the fall or autumn. The leaves on the trees change colors. The leaves on the trees change colors. They change from green to red, orange, and brown. They change from green to red, orange, and brown. The leaves fall off the trees. The leaves fall off the trees. The weather gets cooler. The weather gets cooler. The days get shorter. The days get shorter. We go back to school in the fall. We go back to school in the fall. Then winter comes again. Then winter comes again. The seasons follow one after each other. The seasons follow one after each other.